Edo State Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo on Thursday flagged off road repair work for about 9.61 kilometers of bad federal roads wey dey Edo North Senatorial District. The road segments na Auchi, Igara, Ayetoro, Uneme, Nnekwa, Ayegunle, Ikpeshi, Ibilo, Eko, Ikira, Oke, all day for Edo North Senatorial District. For the flag-off event, the governor talk said the project na part of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu order, say make dem fix bad roads for the state, whether na federal road or state road. A constitute matter on top the issue of security, especially kidnapping for the area, and according to Ram, dem go increase action to pursue criminals comot from bush and say if e need come dey stay Edo North to help the fight, im ready do am. As e take concern erosion wey dey worry Auchi and some nearby communities, the governor come yarn say the matter serious, but dem go follow correct process to handle am well, say engineer go first check the place before any work go start.
Coming to Edo North to look at areas of concerns, erosion-prone areas, major bad roads, and of course, to flag off this Ibilo road. I watched in social media some time ago where I saw some youth demonstrating on issues on this Ibilo road. The road was so bad that you can't even move 2 kilometers per hour. Let me assure you that the government of today is government for the people. Let me assure you, I see placards about kidnapping. The business of kidnapping will not stand here. It will never stand. We are going to take a decisive action. They must leave our forest. If it entails me to relocate to Edo North, that will solve the problem. I will do it. I will never leave this to the security agent alone to handle. I have to be part of it. We will smoke them out. When we were campaigning, I said I will smoke them out. So we will come back here to smoke them out. I want to reassure you that Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is solidly behind Edo people. You can see what is happening in Edo State today. Before you cry, government will intervene. Why is it happening? Is it not because we have a father who is taking care of us? As I do the New Hope agenda for Edo people. Good road, good educational system, healthcare, security. The man, whenever he sees me, asks me those questions. How is it in Edo? Today, we are flagging off this Ibilo road. A week ago, I was with him in Abuja. He said, everywhere that you see pothole, whether federal, whether state, go after rehabilitation of those roads. That is the demonstration you are seeing here today. For the erosion-prone area, I've seen. But you know, government is not a rocket science. We have to go through procurement process of award of contracts. You are crying today. By the time I just say go and do it and something happened, I will say he has stolen the money. So we must follow procurement process to achieve it. And you have to be patient. I will go and look at those areas. From here, I'll go there, look at those areas and see then I will send engineers to come and look at it again so that we can put a full stop to the issue on erosion devastation in this area once and for all.
Some leaders from Edo North, like Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, APC State Chairman Emperor Jared Tinebe, and others, come talk so the road repair go help reduce crime and improve movement for the area.
On behalf of Edo North people, I want to thank you for coming to Auchi today to flag off the session of below Igara Road. I thank you so much. And I know by next month, you have assured me that the road from Iwekme to Osala, Uhomura, Ime, Afuze will also be flagged off.
To identify all those areas that the erosion is ravaging. And of course, the governor is doing well also in security. You can see all our able-bodied men, the vigilante group. I think with this kind of people, we will be able to take care of these kidnappers once and for all. I want to thank the governor for this. I want to thank the governor for keeping to this promise.
The over 9 kilometer stretch of intervention traverses several communities that are located in this Akko and Akoko Edo local government areas. Upon completion is hoped to facilitate movement of commuters, farm produce.
On behalf of the people of Esako West, and Auchi in particular, welcome you to our local government today on this auspicious event of the remediation work on the Auchi Akoko Edo Road. We will see this as a first step towards addressing some of the issues that have been bedeviling us, especially the issue of gully erosion that is ravaging our community. The issue of gully erosion that is ravaging us, we appeal to you that you help us check around to carve canals. Your Excellency, we have a serious issue of insecurity in our local government, especially here in Auchi. Where you are now, Your Excellency, is called Ibiraka. This entire landscape has been donated to the Nigerian Army by Auchi. But this is where the whole kidnapping in Auchi is happening. Sometimes ransom are paid between one checking point to the other checking point. And this kind of kidnapping is not the one that they go to bush and pick somebody. They go to your house, trace you to your house, and take you into the bush.
In the last administration, the immediate past administration said, Federal Road is for Mr. President, that we should bear with him that is a federal road. But today, you have proved that you are a son of the soil. You have proved that you are a grassroots mobilization. You have proved that you are a donite. So we are proud of you. I don't need to talk much. Akoko people said I should welcome you. That you are welcome to Akoko. Akoko Road has been a very terrain because issue of kidnapping, the issue of bad road, name them, there are many. But for your intervention now, we are all praying for you. Your second tenure is a done deal.
Other community people wait and that for the event can still talk, say.
I must tell you that this road is the road linking Auchi, Igara, Ibushi, and the other communities. So for quite some time, the road has been in a deplorable condition, and people find it very difficult to access the road. Most especially these heavy trucks carrying stones, limestones from this Ozari Everon, Ikbeshi, they find it difficult to use the road. So this has slowed down the economic activities in this environment. We are very happy that today the executive governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Gov Okpebholo Bakomiza, has deemed it fit that the way the road is, he will not allow it to continue like that. We thank him very much. We appreciate his effort. We believe that based on the roster we have seen, this is not the only road that is coming to flag up. There are other areas that he has, devoted his time to look at, which is the gully erosion. So we thank him very much. We pray that Almighty Allah be with him and protect him.
This road means a lot to us, in the sense that there are a lot of crime going on this road because of the vast nature of it. And I believe that if this road is constructed, there will be a maximum secure of security for us, because it will no longer be pothole, stop, kidnapping, and everything. So it's very important and very vital to us.
Governor has come here. We have the rest assurance that all our demands for this road, as far as this road is concerned, will be met. And that is all he promised us even when he was doing his campaign. And as he has come now, show us that really he's going to meet his demand. And he's a man of integrity. It's not a failure. It's a winner. And that is why he quickly come to rescue us on this road. Because when we are passing this road, we used to be afraid of kidnappers. Because since that road is damaged, even before now, if you do any mistake by entering Gallop or anything, you can be caught there. But now, as he himself has seen it, he knows what to do now. We are now pleading that he should help us, so that when we are passing this road, we will always pass through without anybody harassing us on the way or anything that will stop you from looking back or looking left. But you will always go front. Even it will reduce the rate of accidents, kidnapper, and every other things that is dangerous to we the transporters in this locality. So we beg him to assist us as he has come. Let him do it, and we believe he's going to do it.
After the flag off, the governor con carry waka go visit some erosion sites for Esako West local government area, wey also include water tanker road for Auchi and Ayogri Uzuare, to see things with your own eyes. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojiseli, TMC News.